Today we will create this type of retro computer screen animation in Alight Motion. And you can use it in any of your next video projects. And can be used in many ways, such as for text animation. And for any image. You should not have any confusion while editing this project. So come on, let me tell you how to edit this project, so that you can easily edit this entire project. This fade group is for fading effect in animation. And I have made it in this way. A black shape, and a feather mask. This second layer is for lighting, and these effects have been used in it. Now these three layers are video footage, from which glitch effects have come in animation. And these effects have been given in this. And yes, it is not that you also keep the setting of effects which I have kept. You can play with the setting of effects according to your own. And this is the texture image. This is the main group. Now let's see it. All the layers are connected to this null layer, so it can be easy to move and scale. Here you can add the image. And all these effects have been given in this. And these are the shapes, top and bottom. This is the text, and the other text is a copy of the same. Now let's see this main text. Here too there is a text, and the second text is a copy of the same. The font of this text has been used in the Alight Motion app from the same fonts that come. And these effects have been applied in the text. And this is the copy text of that text. Just Gaussian blur effect has been given in this text, so that glow can come from it. So in this way, you can edit this project. And the download link of the project is in the description.